Hi guys, good morning. I hope you are doing good. I am Akshay and I am working in a KPI Partners as a senior data engineer first. I have total 4.6 years of experience and I started my career in December 2018. When I was in MDoc, so that time I work on the big data technology. And in the corona situation timing, one of my friends told me regarding this Sayu Softtech. So I discussed with the Sagar and he has given me all the necessary details, means which technology I have to learn, which path you have to select for build your career. And I decided join this class. After joining this class, I got the all these things, means basic knowledge to still advanced level knowledge I got from this class. And after that I switched my career in the KPI partners on the big data. Okay, so in the markets you will see the lots of classes for the big data, but you need proper guidance, proper teaching and proper knowledge, so you will get from this class. And if you want to start your career on big data, so I definitely recommended you guys join the Sayu Softtech, because this is the path for the fresher. So you will learn lots of things from here and start your career on the big data. So guys, join this class. Thank you.